everyone, this is Gunjan Sapra, CEO and Head of Department at IIG for Jewelry Designing Programs. So today I'm delighted to share with you one of my success story of my online student from Chennai, Neha Parekh, who has recently launched her own brand. So Neha, how it feels to start your own brand? Can you explain your journey?
Hi, my name is Neha, and I always had a dream of having my own brand as I'm from a family background of business into jewelry business. So I always have took inspiration from my dad that even I want to have my own brand, and I always had interest in designing. So I joined the International Institute of Gemology for the manual designing, and I started my journey during COVID. And then we did our course, and after that opted for entrepreneurship, and I started my own brand named True 14, and we deal in 14 karat jewelry with moissanite gemstones. And even after learning and starting my own company, now again I'm about to start a new program with them, which is about diamonds and gemstones.
So, as far as I remember, during the time of the course, whatever I had seen in you that you wanted always to be an entrepreneur. So, how these designing skills and the learnings helped you nurture you in developing the entrepreneurship and you're designing your own product line?
Yeah. So even after me being into trading and merchandising, but designing is helping me as well, so that I can choose my designs properly, and I know the what are the trends going on.
So during the class, the entire journey that I have seen you, you always wanted to be an entrepreneur. You wanted to start your own brand. So how does designing skills and concepts help you in designing your own product line?
Yeah. So I am already into merchandising and trading, but jewelry designing is also helping me a lot because I got to meet different students with different perspectives. Got to know about different trends. So I know which is good and which is not a very trending design, which people like, which people don't like. So in that ways, designing helped me a lot.
So after a span of I think 2 years,
Yeah.
you are launching your own brand. So how would you see these designing programs help other students also, and how would you recommend this to the other students who want to come and join this industry, this learning education?
This course helped me a lot as a student, and now as a entrepreneur as well, because I am using those concepts now in my journey as well. So I would suggest even the budding students, the budding entrepreneurs who want to see themselves as good designers and entrepreneurs in the future, you should go with this course.
So today you are here at the institute in Mumbai with your sister, whom you want to recommend and start this course. So how you trustworthy? How you suggest your sister to be the part of this industry?
My sister have seen me during this course. She's seen how even after being online, even after doing the whole course online, she knows how good I am at my work and how ma'am has taught me so well. So she has got that trust so easily that even she will be able to do it very perfectly, and she is going to do it offline here in the institute. So, and we've already seen the institute and it is very good, and we've seen the students work as well. Everything is really nice, and she's confident that she's going to become a good designer now.
That's really nice. I'm really immensely delighted to see the success of yours, and I wish you all the best for your future. And I wish you grow more and more, and all the best from IIG.
Yeah, thank you to IIG and Gunjan ma'am, who have always supported me, and now we are sitting together and we are going to start a new journey as well. Thank you.
Thank you immensely.